Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find advanced settings. Now let's tap on backup. As you can see, it should be at the very bottom of this second section. So let's enter, and here we've got two different sections. Again, we've got the system backup, but we want to focus on the Google backup. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply tap on backup account. If for some reason you cannot find this option or it is inactive, no worries. It is because the backup itself is turned off. As you can see right now, it is inactive, so be sure to make the backup my data option turned on. And now let's tap on backup account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept because it should appear like here. So here we've got a lot of info about the backup, so you can check that you can use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So a lot of data. You can tap on more details to learn more, of course, and your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily whenever you want. So just tap on turn on, and basically that's all. As you can see right here, we've got our email added, which simply means that we just added the backup account. Of course, you can tap on Google account, and here we've got the backup details. So for example, how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage. Here you've got the backup details. What's more, here we've got quite important option. It is the backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because you really can be charged by downloading something using the mobile data. So remember about that. And basically all we have to do right now, if we want our data to be backed up right now, just tap on backup now. Just like that. And basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.